Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind or your money. Today, we have a battle of the behemoths in the 3D printing world. On one side, we have the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro, a budget-friendly option at $249. On the other side, we have the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, a premium choice at $599. Let's dive in and see which one of these 3D printers should grace your desk. First up, let's talk about price. The Neptune 3 Pro is affordable at $249, making it accessible for hobbyists and beginners. On the other hand, the Neptune 4 Plus is priced at $599, offering premium features for those willing to invest more. Reviewers appreciate the Neptune 3 Pro for being budget-friendly and delivering great value, while the Neptune 4 Plus is praised for its high-end capabilities despite the higher cost. Next, let's discuss build volume. The Neptune 3 Pro offers a build volume of 225 by 225 by 280 millimeters, which is sufficient for most standard projects. Meanwhile, the Neptune 4 Plus boasts a larger build volume of 320 by 320 by 385 millimeters. This extra space is ideal for more ambitious projects. Reviewers note that the Neptune 3 Pro's build volume is adequate for everyday use, but the Neptune 4 Plus is favored for its capacity to handle larger prints. When it comes to speed, the Neptune 3 Pro operates smoothly at 47 to 48 decibels, making it a quiet and reliable option. The Neptune 4 Plus, however, can reach speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, significantly faster than its counterpart. Reviewers appreciate the Neptune 3 Pro for its quiet operation, while the Neptune 4 Plus is lauded for its impressive speed, though it can be a bit noisy. Let's talk about the extruder. The Neptune 3 Pro features a dual-gear direct drive extruder capable of handling PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS. The Neptune 4 Plus ups the ante with a 5.2:1 reduction ratio and a 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle, making it suitable for even more challenging materials like nylon. Reviewers have found the Neptune 3 Pro to be versatile and reliable, while the Neptune 4 Plus is praised for its advanced extruder capabilities. Cooling and ease of use are also crucial factors. The Neptune 3 Pro comes with dual synchronized LED screws and a non-contact sensor for auto bed leveling. The Neptune 4 Plus, on the other hand, includes powerful double-sided cooling fans and model cooling blower fans, along with Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN connectivity. Reviewers appreciate the Neptune 3 Pro for its user-friendly features, but the Neptune 4 Plus is highlighted for its advanced cooling and connectivity options. Finally, let's look at the smarter printing experience. The Neptune 3 Pro auto-pauses when the filament runs out or breaks, ensuring minimal interruptions. The Neptune 4 Plus goes further with input shaping and pressure advancing for precise details and high-quality prints. Reviewers love the Neptune 3 Pro for its reliability and ease of use, while the Neptune 4 Plus is celebrated for its advanced precision and quality. Overall, reviewers find the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro to be a great budget-friendly option that is easy to assemble and delivers reliable prints. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, while more expensive, is praised for its advanced features, larger build volume, and high-speed capabilities. Both printers have their unique strengths, making them suitable for different user needs. All right, smart shoppers, it's decision time. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable 3D printer that won't break the bank, Neptune 3 Pro is your go-to. But If you want to go big or go home and you have the cash to spare, Neptune 4 Plus is the powerhouse you need. Either way, you can't go wrong with ELEGOO. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time!